We are already here in the supermarket to buy the ingredients that I need for the recipe that I'm going to cook today. First, place the eggs in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, then whisk and mix them well. In the meantime, cut the chicken into cubes. Place chicken in the mixture of soy sauce and egg. Mix well and let it sit for a couple of minutes. Now let's going to prepare our sauce. In a saucepan, combine water, honey, ketchup, garlic and onion, cinnamon, lemon zest, lemon juice, and olive oil. Mix well the ingredients, then cook at a medium heat. When liquid is dense, it means it is ready. Meanwhile, add cornstarch in the bowl with chicken, egg, and soy sauce. Mix well. Fry the chicken until the color is golden brown. Drain the chicken on paper towels. In a bowl, put the sauce and chicken, then mix them well. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. Our chicken with sesame seed and honey is now ready to serve.